Hello everyone, I'm Rachel. Swiss type CNC lathes are widely used in the aerospace industry with its high precision and high efficiency machining capability. It is capable of precision machining of a variety of small parts and processed in one time. These parts require extremely high dimensional accuracy and surface quality. Hanbs Swiss type CNC lathes can meet these basic requirements. Thanks to their outstanding performance, Swiss type CNC lathes play an indispensable role in the aerospace industry. That's the end of today's introduction. If you are interested in our products, please follow our website. See you again next time.